Checking out Creatio CRM? Find links below. Creatio CRM is a powerful low-code platform combining sales, marketing, and service automation. Designed for mid-sized and large businesses, it offers deep customization for streamlined operations, better customer interactions, and efficient scaling. Creatio's low-code environment lets you build workflows, dashboards, and apps with minimal technical expertise, tailoring it to your unique processes. From lead management to service resolution, Creatio delivers flexibility. Robust sales automation features like lead scoring, opportunity tracking, and sales forecasting help close deals faster. Customizable pipelines visually represent every deal stage. AI-powered insights provide data-driven recommendations. For marketing, Creatio offers multi-channel campaign management across email, social media, and more. Segmentation tools target the right audience, while analytics provide real-time performance feedback. Seamless integration with sales ensures smooth lead handoffs. Customer service tools include case management, a self-service portal, and SLA tracking, empowering timely, personalized support. The knowledge base and chat tools enhance customer experience. Creatio integrates with popular platforms like Microsoft, Google Workspace, and Zapier. The mobile app keeps teams productive anywhere. Extensive customization, while powerful, may require a learning curve. Creatio CRM is excellent for businesses needing a customizable, all-in-one solution for sales, marketing, and customer service. Its low-code environment, automation tools, and robust integrations make it a powerful asset for growth. Explore the links below to see if Creatio aligns with your needs. This review should help you decide if Creatio is right for your team.